Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody watched the video and commented that the blue was kind of blended or faded into the smaller part. Well, that's not relevant for the person that was doing it because he was going to do it on a tumbler. But this is a little bit tricky. So we've got our curve here, and just make sure it is a curve. And then we're going to go to Windows and we're going to find out how long it is, Docker, Properties, Curve, and it is 64.89 long. So what you need to do, if you were going to blend this part, let's zoom in here and let's make a line. Well, let's do this. Let's do this. Get the parallel dimension tool and measure this. And it's that 1.94. And then this one, I'm gonna have to zoom in. This is pretty cool, but it's a little bit tricky, so 0.14. So what we need to do is make a line that is 1.94 inches long, and we need to hold down the control button so it is perpendicular. And then we need to make it thicker than a hairline, and we'll go 16 points and we'll keep it red. And then we need a line that's just 0.14 long and make it thicker, the same 16, and make it yellow just for the video. Then you're going to separate these two. Probably wouldn't matter all that much, but we're going to separate those two, and we're going to select them both, and we're going to open up the blend docker under effects, blend, and we're going to have to blend them quite a bit. I'm going to say 600 times and hit apply. Now in this case, we need to find out, remember how long this was. I should have written it down, but the window, docker, properties, and it was 64.89. So we need to make this with the ratio, that's my wrong dimension. I can't remember how long it was. I should have written it down, sorry. 64.89, so we need to make this with our ratio unlocked 64.89 long. Then we need to kind of look at it and make sure it's blended clean and there's no gaps in it. Now you can't really blend this to a path because it's going to turn it sideways and mess it up. But what you can do is go back to our artistic media tool, get the brush, and hit save. And we're going to call it number 6. And then we're going to click on this line, and like before, we got to make it a little bit wider. And there is your blend. That's pretty cool. That's really about the only way to do it. Because if you blend it, if you try to blend it to that path, it'll right in about here, it'll start turning sideways on you. So if you're ever going to do that, that's how you would do it. I truly hope that helped somebody, and thank you for watching.